Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike, has vowed not to allow anyone to take over the PDP structure in Rivers State. And he threatened to set fire, literally, on PDP governors that ever try to interfere in his structure in Rivers State. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you're new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video and share it, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours. And you can also see some of screenshots of some of my books on Amazon. These books are available on ebook, paperback, and hardcover. If you just type the title of the book with the author name, it will take you, if you type it in Google space, it will take you to Amazon platform where you can purchase these books to support this channel. And Amazon is world's #1 in print on demand, and they distribute all over the world. Even if you are in Iceland, they will bring these books to your doorstep. Thank you for your support. Now, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike, has vowed not to allow anyone to take over the People's Democratic Party structure in Rivers State. The governor vowed to cause a political crisis in their states if any PDP governor tried interfering in the party's affair in the South states. Recall that PDP governors had met in Taraba State on August 23. And these PDP governors weighed in on the crisis rocking the party in the states and reiterated their support for Governor Simi Fubara. The PDP governors, in a communique read by East Chairman and Bauchi State Governor Bala Mohammed, called for a review of the party's Congress to restore Fubara's leading role in the states. Speaking at the PDP Secretariat in Port Harcourt, the River State capital, on Saturday, during the party's state congress, Wike urged PDP governors to stay clear of the party's affairs in River State. He said, and I quote, "Let me assure all of you that while we live, okay, let me take it again. He said, let me assure all of you, not while we live will anybody take away the structure of the PDP from us. Let me tell people, I hear some governors who say they will take over the structure and give back to somebody. I pity those governors, because I will put fire in their states. When God has given you peace, you say you don't want peace. Anything you see, you take. Because I heard they got some money from a signature bonus, and so their heads are getting big, that you will put a hand in my own state. Prepare, because I have the capacity to also do the same thing in your own state. Whether you are from Bauchi, I don't give a damn. your hand will get burned and you will never sleep in your state. I want you to take note of that statement. Your hand will get burned and you will never sleep in your state. The River State PDP has been in crisis following the fallout between Wike and his predecessor, who was absent at the Congress. In attendance alongside the minister were some serving and past lawmakers at both state and national level, former council chairmen and other party faithful. Meanwhile, River State Governor Simi Fubara and the other members of his cabinet have remained dignified silent. They have remained in dignified silent on the allegation by the FCT minister that Nyesom Wike that the state government had pushed the PDP out of his administration. Wike also claimed that the incumbent governor of the state was making plans to decamp to the Action People's Congress and vowed that they are waiting for them in the state. He said that PDP is waiting for the APP in the state. Now, if you're a follower of this channel, you will recall that I told you in this channel that despite the assurances of PDP governors to Fubara, that Fubara should not listen to the PDP governors because their support is coming rather late. And you can see it manifest in the state congress held in River State. Fubara kept away. The PDP governors failed to deliver on their promise to ensure that Fubara is in charge of PDP in River State. Why is that so? This is because Nyesom Wike, as I pointed out in other videos, is having a firm grip on the PDP National Working Committee, led by Ambassador Ilya Damagun, that is working with him to facilitate the impeachment of Fubara. Therefore, the assurances of the governors should not be relied upon, especially in light of the coming October 5 local government election in River State. And I pointed out that it will be foolhardy of Fubara to allow his candidates in the coming local government election to emerge from the PDP. That rather the alleged move to Action People's Party should be sustained, and that his candidates should emerge from that party. And this Saturday Congress has confirmed what I said, that Nyesom Wike is having a firm grip on that party because Abuja allowed him. Therefore, Fubara should forget about PDP in the coming election, not under this NWC. And you can see the way that Nyesom Wike was talking down on PDP governors. The way he was talking down on them, it means he is ready to face them. Why is he talking like that? Is he stronger than all the PDP governors in Nigeria? No. It is because the political system in Nigeria, the judiciary in Nigeria cannot be trusted. And the judiciary in Nigeria, from the verdict of the Supreme Court in the last presidential election and all kinds of verdicts that came out, is an indication that those who feel that they have a firm grip of the judiciary can use it against anybody. But what I found very surprising was that he threatened to put crisis, to create crisis in our other states. Already the hands of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is filled with crisis he cannot handle. I do not think that it is wise for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to support Nyesom Wike to foment trouble in PDP states. Because already Nigeria is like a war zone. As I'm talking to you now, I learned that the service chiefs have been dispatched to Zamfara State, Zamfara, Katsina, all these states, to go and face bandits and terrorists all over the country. Lives of Nigerians is being wasted as if life doesn't mean anything. So that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will allow him to be threatening state governors who are chief security officers in their individual state, that he will put crisis in their states. In the case of Bauchi, he was talking about that the man will not be able to sleep in his state. What does it mean that the man will not be able to sleep in his state? What does it mean? What kind of crisis is he going to create? Bala Mohammed is already in his second term. The only thing you can do to Bala Mohammed is to back another APC candidate because in 2027, Bala Mohammed will be stepping out. Then you can go and support a governorship candidate from APC to challenge the candidate of Bala Mohammed, because Bala Mohammed is in his last shot as governor. So what are you going to do? What crisis will you put on Bauchi governor? So that's where President Bola Ahmed Tinubu should interfere and address the matter. What does he mean that Bauchi governor will not be able to sleep in his state? That's a weighty threat. Now, he is saying all these things because he felt that he has the federal might. Because ordinarily, I don't see how he can be able to create crisis in all the PDP states, because they are on the side of the truth. The side of the truth is that Fubara is the duly elected governor of Rivers State, and he was elected under the platform of the PDP. Under the PDP rules and regulations, the governor is the leader of the party in any state. But in a strange arrangement approved by the National Working Committee of the PDP, led by Damagun, Wike is in charge, is the leader of PDP in Rivers State. In Rivers State. Where is that done? He's the leader of the party in Rivers State, and not Fubara. And you think that there will be, it is normal that people should accept it. No governor will take it. Nyesom Wike will not take it when he was governor. If somebody else was made the leader of PDP in Rivers State, he cannot take it. And you see what he was talking about, that PDP is being taken away from the government. That Fubara does not is doing away with PDP in the state. Why will he continue to support PDP people? PDP people that claim that they are working for Nyesom Wike. Why should he include them in his government? He will be committing political suicide to include them in his government. These people have said that Nyesom Wike is their godfather, is their lord in the party. They have to show them the way out, because they will be sabotaging his government if they are inside. And he said that he knows that Simi Fubara is moving to Action People's Party. Of course, He has to move. Do you expect him to remain in PDP? That they did the Congress that you dominated. Your people dominated the Congress. Abuja allowed your people to dominate the Congress. The governor kept away. So you expect him to come to that Congress and come and hail your candidates, your structures. To me, it doesn't really make sense. So Fubara did the right thing by staying away. And moving to APP is the best option. That's how he can build his own structure. Nyesom Wike has threatened that they are ready to face APP. Why? We know that in all the states in Nigeria, any political party that the governor supports sweeps all the local government votes. I do not expect anything different in Rivers State. But Nyesom Wike has said that they are ready to face APP. I do hope that they will face it through the will of the people. They will come out, bring out their candidates. Fubara will bring out his candidate, APP. Even by mere fact that Nyesom Wike is so unpopular in Rivers State and his supporters, I do not see how they can win any councillorship position in Rivers State in October 5. Despite all the braggadocio that's going on right now, that they have federal might, they have everything. I think the consolation is that Fubara has an opportunity to create his own structure. Because once his own structure emerges, the Nyesom Wike structure will die a natural death. This is because that structure is what is giving him the strength. That structure is what is making him to think that he can deliver Rivers State to Bola Ahmed Tinubu the way, quote and unquote, he delivered Rivers State to Tinubu in a very controversial circumstance in which even the BBC and the Premium Times in their tabulation say it's flawed. The BBC and Premium Times provided proof that it was Peter Obi of the Labour Party that won Rivers State and not Bola Ahmed Tinubu of the APC, as announced by INEC. So, that being said, let's keep our fingers crossed. But Nyesom Wike had drawn the line between himself and PDP governors. So let us see whether the PDP governors will chicken out in their quest to bring in Fubara in the long run. But in the short run, Fubara should forget about PDP for now and concentrate in building his structure through APP. That's my position on the threat by Nyesom Wike and on the coming election in Rivers State, October 5, when Fubara will finally become a man of his own in Rivers politics. Interestingly, he's going to have the support, and he already having the support of Rivers people, Rivers elders. Who is who in Rivers State if it was Fubara? And as they said, one with God is majority. Fubara is going to have the final say. He is going to have the final laugh at the end of the day. And the boastfulness of Nyesom Wike one day will come to an end. Like all political act that is built on quicksand will eventually give way. It will eventually give way. I think so. And at the end of the day, let Rivers people decide whether they want Rivers to be controlled from Abuja or they want Rivers to be controlled from Port Harcourt. That's my take on this matter. Thank you, and God bless you and yours. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.